Alright, go ahead and talk about what you're doing.
We're making brownies.
Alright. So what's in the bowl already?
Butter.
Okay, so what are we doing next?
Cracking eggies.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
Hold that.
I'm gonna try and see what happens.
No shells.
No shells in there.
Where can I put it?
Where does it go?
In the trash.
Yeah.
Can I crack the other egg?
Yeah, go ahead. We're doing this, bud.
You're helping me
Yeah.
do it. Now what else should we add? This?
Put the egg away. Wash your hands. You probably got egg in your hands.
Then I can put the mix in.
Yeah. Are you done?
How much?
All of it.
All of it. Whoa. And I can serve.
Yeah. Do you have a mixer?
But I want to use the mix.
No, you can use this. Or use a smaller one.
I don't want that mixer. I want the mixer.
John, use one of these, please.
A different mixer.
Just use one of these.
Okay.
Thank you.
I want all brownie-ish.
Why are we making brownies, buddy?
Because I like brownies.
So these brownies are vegan, gluten-free, and unfortunately they are leaving the Pampered Chef line. So I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. Just 3 simple ingredients: eggs, butter, and the brownie mix for easy peasy dessert that your kids can have fun doing and mix. And they could add fun stuff to it, like peanuts or little candies or whatever they like to make it fun and exciting dessert.
Or chocolate chips.
Alright, yeah. So make sure you guys get your brownie mix today before it sells out. You have 2 more days before they leave the line for good. And also the brownie pan is also leaving as well. So this is the brownie pan, and the whole brownie set is also leaving. So if you need good, easy dessert, Easter gift, this would be a great Easter basket as well. So get yours today. Comment below for a link. Comment brownie for a link.
Done.
Alright, let me help you out here, buddy. You did a really good job.
It hurts my shoulder.
Yeah, this is a little tough.
No. Bend them down a little bit. That doesn't hurt so bad.
The brownie batter is a little bit thicker. And you can make this with a vegan butter as well. And you can use applesauce instead of eggs. So if you want that true vegan brownie, you can make those substitutions.
Can we put something in there?
You can grab a cookie scoop.
Yeah.
And we'll scoop this batter into the mix.
I want a different size.
No, we only need one size.
Oh, here's the weird tool.
Okay, we're not playing with that.
What is that weird tool for?
That one might be too big. Is that the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay, once we get it dirty, we're not going back. Alright, so we're going to use a little cookie scoop to scoop our brownies into our brownie pan.
I want big brownies.
Alright. You got it?
Yep.
Alright, got another scoop.
But Mom,
What?
look.
That's alright. You gotta make sure that you're gonna have enough for all the brownies though, John. If you put too much in one, you're not gonna have enough for all the things.
All the people in our family.
You know, all the wells in the pan. You're doing a really good job.
I think we need some more for that pan.
Alright, we'll just focus on getting all the rest filled and then we can even them out, okay?
Okay. With the spatula.
Yes. How old are you, John?
5.
And what do you have coming up?
My birthday.
Yeah, how old are you gonna be?
6.
Oh, John, be careful, you just dropped some on the floor. Now watch what you're doing, bud.
Good thing Macy won't get it because
Well, you should wipe it up before she comes over here.
it's chocolate.
Yeah,
Or before she smells it.
yeah, but you don't step in it either.
I'm doing a really good
You
job.
are. Let us know, what would you put in your brownies?
What? Mama?
Talking to the camera.
Oh.
Watch you don't get your arms in it.
Okay. On my finger because I can't taste it.
Mm-hmm.
It has rotten eggs.
Yeah. Do you need help?
Yeah, you can do the rest.
Can you clean that
There's
up?
only 2 more left.
Alright, no, there's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Alright, pick that up, please, and wash your hands.
Is that brownie mix? Or wipe it
yeah.
up?
Huh?
This up?
Yes.
I'll get the paper towel.
Thank you, bud.
We're running out of paper towels.
Yeah, we'll have to get, we have some more.
I just cleaned my hands up a little bit.
Okay.
And it looks like poop.
Stop.
It's not appropriate.
No, it's not appropriate at all.
Okay.
Just trying to scrape all of it. You want all that chocolate goodness. I will say that these brownies are more of a fudgy brownie. I've been seeing a lot of recipes for peanut butter whipped cream, so we might make, but I don't have any whipping cream. Alright, we're going to try and smooth some of these out as well. There's a dog hair in that one. You guys want to know what's really cool? Things you can do is you can shake your hand. I can't because I just had gallbladder surgery. But I'm going to try and spread some of these out with my finger here. And even them out a little bit.
How's it going with the brownies?
Can you hand me a little spoon, buddy?
Blue spoon.
Yeah.
Like a baby spoon, but bigger.
John, just get me a spoon.
Whatever size.
It doesn't matter. I just need a spoon.
Mom.
I just need some of the batter around. Okay.
Okay.
I did pre-oil the pan as well.
Mommy, is this also brownie mix?
No, that's a different mix.
What kind?
I don't know. I'm using the back of a little spoon to kind of even it out a little bit as well.
Can I watch TV since we're almost done?
You're going to have to put them in the oven for me since I can't bend over.
Okay. I'm just going to grab some hot packs from here.
No, the pan's not hot yet.
Well, I gotta put it in the oven without getting burnt.
Okay.
So I'm gonna.
I'd rather you be safe than sorry. These will rise a little bit in the pan, so you want them about, I think, say no more than a half full. It is a very thick batter. We did move some of the batter around a little bit, so I'm just kind of trying to even them out.
Mommy,
What?
that big boo-boo on your belly looks very big
Yeah,
and bad.
it's getting better, John.
Okay, it's healing
Yeah, that's why Mommy has to rest.
a lot.
Yes.
When that goes away, you'll feel much more better.
Yeah.
Oh. That is what makes your tummy hurt.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and put them in the oven. It's
Okay.
ready.
Can you open the oven?
You can.
Whichever one.
Good job, buddy. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
TV.